Hello everyone! Welcome to King English class.
Today, let's learn to spell English vocabulary about insects through real pictures and videos. Let's get started. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Ladybug. L-A-D-Y-B-U-G. Ladybug. Leaf insect. L-E-A-F-I-N-S-E-C-T. Leaf insect. Dragonfly. D-R-A-G-O-N-F-L-Y. Dragonfly. Bee. B-E-E. Bee. Praying mantis. P-R-A-Y-I-N-G-M-A-N-T-I-S. Praying mantis. Beetle. B-E-E-T-L-E. Beetle. Cicada. C-I-C-A-D-A. Cicada. Grasshopper. G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R. Grasshopper. Caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. Mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. Firefly. F-I-R-E-F-L-Y. Firefly. Termite. T-E-R-M-I-T-E. Termite. Cockroach. C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H. Cockroach. Dung beetle. D U N G B E E T L E. Dung beetle. Water strider. W A T E R S T R I D E R. Water strider. Stink bug. S T I N K B U G. Stink bug. Fly. F L Y. Fly. Stick insect. S T I C K I N S E C T. Stick insect. Flea. F L E A. Flea. Earwig. E A R W I G. Earwig.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.